Okay, guys. We are done with first episodes. We're gonna make another ones, yeah, in a few weeks. How are you after all of this?
I'm exhausted, but I'm thrilled and happy that we made it. Looking forward for all comments. I already got tons of the messages, so thank you for it. It's a huge motivation for us as a team to continue this project.
Definitely. So we need your comments, we need your follows, likes, of course. Interactions. And we also have some special prizes for you.
What you have, Patrycja?
Time of my life. So we have hoodies.
We have hoodies, Backupmonster hoodies. We have t-shirts, sport t-shirts for sportsmen.
And we have a special contest for those of you who find out what is the name and what's the description, what kind of language is this and what does it mean. They will get this really rare vintage Backupmonster tee.
When the contest starts, Bartosz?
Well, the contest starts right now. When you see this post, this shot, you can vote, you can put your descriptions, your comments, and we'll catch you.
Thanks, team. See you next week.
Bye.